In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to set up the OpenID client plugin for Unreal with Google. For this tutorial, I am going to be using the complex browser example provided with the plugin. The first thing we have to do is to go to the Google's developer console. You can find it with a quick Google. If this is your first time in here, you'll probably be prompted to maybe make an account and create a project. Otherwise, you can just go in here on the project selection and select new project. We'll give it a name. And you can just create it. It's gonna take a couple seconds to create it. You can click on it. In here you have a short dashboard about the project. You have the next thing we have to do is go to the menu, API and services, and go to OAuth consent screen. And here we're going to set up the screen that is being shown to the user when he tries to log in. Our user type will be external. I'm gonna hit create. What you have to complete in here is the application name. This is the name that's going to be shown to the user. I'm just gonna put ID client login tutorial. You can set up various things such as the logo, the support email, authorized domains, and so on. You can just hit save for now. After we've done this, we have to go to the credentials and create some credentials for us. You can hit create credentials. We're going to need OAuth client ID credentials because we want to connect to Google using OAuth. Our application type is a web application. And we're just going to leave this as web client. And for authorized redirect URIs, you're going to have to add https google.com. In case you have your own server which you have tied to the game, you can use that as a redirect URI. Otherwise, I would advise just using Google. It would be preferable to use your own URL, but I'm not sure everyone has that. You can also add a URI such as HTTP localhost and then hit create. So you have that origin. After all works, you're gonna be prompted with this. We need the client ID that's provided in here. You can just copy it from here, or if you close that, you'll find it in here and you can just hit copy. Then we need to go in the example project, open the game mode, look for login with Google, and in here where you have the makeOC OIDC config, you just wanna replace the client ID with the one we just got. Hit compile, hit save. Now if we try to log in, you're gonna see it's the name that I've put in on the OAuth consent form. Now you can just type in your username and your mail. And after you're logged in, you can request user info. As you can see, it gives us. You can also log out. And yep, that's about it. If you require more information regarding how this all works, you can Google OAuth 2. And here you're going to find the Google's documentation on how OAuth works. You can also find the scopes And here it's a list of scopes. Scopes are pretty much permissions for various APIs that Google is offering. So you can just copy one and paste it in the scopes array on the project. And here, as you can see, I have OpenID, user profile, and email. You can also find in here OAuth 2 for the JavaScript web apps. This explains the steps that I am using in order to log in pretty accurately. So yeah, that's about it. Enjoy and good luck. For any issues, you can contact me on the email provided on the Unreal Marketplace. Thanks a bunch.